Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your Squarespace website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your Squarespace editor. Scroll to the part of your website where you want the lead generator, then click Add section. In the menu that pops up, choose Plus Add Blank. On your new blank section, click Plus Add Block. Scroll down through the options and choose Code. A code block will appear on your page. Click the pencil icon to edit it. Delete any existing text in the box and paste the lead generator link you copied. You'll see your lead generator appear live right away. Feel free to further customize the section, resize it, move it, or style it to match your website's look. Camera access is supported on Squarespace. Visitors can take a photo directly. To make it work, your iframe must include the permission, Allow Camera. When you're finished, click Save in the top left corner to make your changes live for visitors. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your Squarespace site. Ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.